Welcome to JBR, aka The Beach. Now, during holiday season here, they have drone shows or fireworks. It rotates every other day. All right, so this is my favorite coffee shop right here, Arabica Coffee. All right, let's go have some Chipotle, see how it tastes. It's probably the cheapest thing to eat here on this whole strip. By far the cleanest, the best Chipotle I've ever been to my entire life. This is a weekday. We're here almost at 8 p.m. and you can see how busy the park is. One of the most popular things to do in here in Dubai is to do a Carboat. The cheapest place to eat here is gonna be McDonald's right there. Welcome to JBR Beach. We're here with the Cidro, the bad Cidro. She hasn't listened to anything we've said all day today. Very bad Cidro. These are new, that's pretty cool. Painting of a couple dolls. So we are right by Taksim Corner, Chestnut. So let's talk about parking. So parking, you can park right behind that hotel. Moving pick, right? So we parked on the street. It's 50 local currency for 8 hours. If you go underneath the parking spot, it's a little cheaper, but it's not much cheaper, honestly. So just park on the street if you can. 50 local currency is not, looks like what, $12, $13 for 8 hours of parking. Now the wheel is open, so we're gonna see if we can go do the wheel. The wheel is open. It's been under construction, it's been under maintenance for a long time. It just opened up, so we're gonna head over to the wheel, make our way there slowly. We're gonna stop by our favorite coffee shop for me, favorite coffee shop for the family, where they got marshmallows and sticks set up like a little snowman, yeah. Hot chocolate snowman, yeah. And then we're gonna make our way to the wheel. Have our favorite hot dog over there as well. Sarah's favorite hot dog as well over there. It's like a big one. And show you everything that we know here. So here we go. Now, during the holiday season here, they have drone shows or fireworks. It rotates every other day. And it's 2 shows a day, 8 p.m. and 10 p.m. So those are the 2 hours, 2 time slots you want to be here, 8 p.m. and 10 p.m. So, all right, here we go. This is the parking spot I was telling you about that you can park right here. We parked on the same side street right here and just got out of the car, started walking. If you want to exchange money, you can exchange here. You can see the current exchange rates. You can have coffee and then you can buy a flat, all in one spot. And of course, this is right by the Hilton Hotel as well. This is one of the older ones. It hasn't been remodeled in my opinion. If you can help it, don't stay there. But stay at the Hilton, that's across the street from it right there. You should see a Hilton sign right here. Stay at that one. With that one, you get all the rooms have a balcony view. So you can see coming up right there, every room has a balcony view. All right, so this is my favorite coffee shop right here, Arabica Coffee. The Spanish latte, in my opinion, is the best one. So let me show you the menu here. So the Spanish latte is our favorite, and it's not cheap. It's like $8, almost $9 for 1 cup of coffee. So this is the Hilton I recommend, Hilton Dubai JBR. So there's a city walk and there's just a Hilton Jumeirah, I believe. This is the one I recommend. It's got all balconies, where the other one does not have balconies in every room. All right, we got our coffee, our $8 coffee. It's a long queue, it's a long wait. I waited almost like 20 minutes here. Now this place is open, which I did not know. This place is open 24/7, no joke. So if you love coffee, then this is perfect for you. All right, let's go find the family because they already left me. Welcome to JBR, aka The Beach. We're walking, getting closer to the wheel. This will be the perfect place to see the drone show and the fireworks. Of course, when you come here during the daytime, you can access the floaties above the water. It is very windy here. I'm wearing a sweater and a jacket. That's how windy it is today. And that's the famous Address Hotel right there with a giant square hole in the middle. That's the Hilton Hotel I was telling you about. The views are amazing. Okay, so this is free. Immerse King Kong. Dubai is free. So first time I've seen this, so let's go check it out. Is this new? This setup here, new? Okay. You guys ready?
Yeah.
For free. Wow, everything looks so real. Wow. Man, watch, I'm gonna fall over. Yo. I just realized it's not King Kong, it's Hong Kong. Sorry. I don't know what the hell was I thinking. Sorry guys. That's what happens when you try to make a video and manage kids. It's Hong Kong, not King Kong. Finally on the beach. Now in the winter months, this place closes pretty early, but in the summer months, this place is open throughout the night. They bring in big freaking lights. You can literally go swimming at midnight if you want. Chipotle, wow. All right, let's go have some Chipotle, see how it tastes. It's probably the cheapest thing to eat here on this whole strip. All right, so they've been here since October. They just opened up. So they've been open for about a couple of months. Same concept, of course, no pork, and everything is halal. It looks legit. It's the same concept as US. So a chicken is 47 local currency, which is about $12. Steak is 49, and then beef is 49. So I'm gonna do a steak and chicken mix. It's actually pretty cheap, and it's definitely. I asked the person here. She said it's definitely the cheapest thing to eat on the whole strip. So we got our order. Amazing views right behind me. By far the cleanest, the best Chipotle I've ever been to my entire life. But of course, Habibi, that's Dubai. What do you expect? Everything has got to be like Taj Mahal on steroids. So let's give this a taste. Let's see how it goes. Bismillah. So you see the view. I'm not seeing the view, but hey.
It's cheese, it's not noodle.
Oh, cheese chips. Put chips in here. There's definitely a difference between this Chipotle and then the American Chipotle. Eat Greek, that's a good place. I've heard good things about Eat Greek there. Every builder, property builder you can think of, they have a booth, kiosk here. You can literally buy a flat, a townhouse, or a villa here if you wanted to. We're getting closer to one of our favorite places. I think it was a Zoe, I think. Zozo. They have beef cooked on top of a warm yogurt. It's really good. You're looking for some shisha, some hookah. You got multiple options here. Sada, we've been here 2 o'clock in the morning, remember? 2 o'clock in the morning we came here, we're the only ones here. Summer, it was July. Zozo, Turkish Lebanese, very popular. They have a location in Dubai Mall as well. Yeah. You get amazing views of the drone right here on the top floor. Being here, you look over the wheel, and then drone show, fireworks is gonna be right above it. PF Chang, another American restaurant, and right next to it is Cheesecake Factory.
Yeah.
Another American. I don't know what that is, what it's supposed to do, but it's interesting. Okay, so I'm gonna show you footage here that you're probably gonna be, most folks in the US will probably be shocked, but this is a weekday. We're here almost at 8 p.m. and you can see how busy the park is. Once again, weekday, almost 8 p.m. We're at a park and people just having an amazing time. One of the most popular things to do in here in Dubai is to do a carboat, boat car, whatever the heck you want to call this. So it's like a speed car on the water.
Yeah.
Flashlight is on, you can see guys, this is what it looks like from inside. Kind of messy, but hey, you're on the beach. It's supposed to be fun, not clean. Okay, if you want to rent this, 2-seater, 15 minutes is 800 local currency. 4-seater is 1200 local currency. Same thing, 15 minutes. So if they go very fast, in my opinion, it's a pretty cool experience. You do it once in a lifetime. And Marwa is ruining my vlog. What's up, Marwa? What have you found? Gold? You found gold?
It looks like a rose.
Gold?
It looks like a rose.
Oh, that does look like a rose. Very tasty. All right, let's continue. All right, we are at top of the bridge now, and this is the view you get of the Dubai Marina skyline. Video does not do justice, I'm telling you. They have packed so much into this space, it's crazy. The bridge is a long walk, so just be prepared for it. It's not a short walk at all. So we got fooled. There's no show today, no drone show because it's too windy. Now, one of the things that you're gonna see here is called the pod. Very popular, very famous thing to do here, especially during lunchtime. They offer you tea, coffee, and the prices are not bad at all. Right below the, I call the fake Singapore trees. Now, another thing that you can do here is you can take the blue water boat, which is the boot is right here. If you want the cheapest boat ride, that's where you want to go. It will take you to Dubai Marina Mall. So we're gonna get our bubble tea here, and then we're gonna come back tomorrow and get on the wheel and show that to you during the day so you have a better experience. This is the hot dog place I was telling you about. If you want the best hot dog in town, in my opinion, this is it. The hot dogs are very large and very tasty, and it's very messy to eat it, but they're very good. Probably the healthiest hot dog you're gonna have. Welcome to Blue Waters. One of the coolest things to do here is to get an ice cream cone, and it's one of the biggest, largest ice cream cones.
And you can smell the top.
You can smell the top? Okay. Thank you.
It's a voice.
Yeah. The cheapest place to eat here is going to be McDonald's right there. Alright folks, delicious. This thing right here costs $8. Sarah Abdurrahman, $8. $8. $8 Bitcoin, $8 XRP, $8 Solana.
Allah'ım ya Rabbim.
Sarah is crypto's down. She's stressing. How much money have you lost?
Don't let me think about Bitcoin.
Amazing bubble tea. Now we're tired of walking, so we're taking the golf cart all the way down to Sheraton Hotel. So here we go. So the cost is 20 local currency per adult, and then the kids they charge. Cedar was free, 2 kids cost money. So here we go. Drops you right in front of the Sheraton Hotel. So we're right in front of the Sheraton Hotel, and in my opinion, it's 20 local currency per person. So we paid 80 local currency. Well worth it. We got here very quick. So if you're tired, you're exhausted, your kids are not being good, it's well worth it.